Hello and welcome back. The summer wasn't really summering this year, but we still managed to go hiking a couple of times. This time we visited Patscherkofel, a mountain near Innsbruck that's super easy to access from the city. Just hop on a bus J in the direction of Eagles Patscherkofel and it will take you directly to the funicular station. Are you excited about our private tour?
We will see how the weather holds up.
Patscherkofel is often referred to as the local mountain because it's a go-to spot for skiing, hiking and simply spending time in nature. It also has quite a bit of Olympic history, having hosted events in the past. So we went on a hike on Patscherkofel. It's quite close to Innsbruck actually. It's not that touristy as Nordkette, for example, because there are barely any people. But it can be also because of the weather, because it's quite cloudy and generally the season is quite rainy. There are several trails to choose from on Patscherkofel. We opted for the summit trail, which has a moderate elevation gain and is great for families. And we're testing our new Avata drone. Very much exciting to see it in action because it's a bit different from the mini drone that I have, and in the mountains it's super cool to fly it. My hair is a mess because you have all those trails and tops and hills and everything, so you can practice really and do, if you can see it right there, and do all those crazy things. And we are landing. You get an amazing view of over Innsbruck if that's what you want to see, and the hike is actually quite moderate. There are some places that are a bit, require some confidence, but anyway, it's manageable. So a good place to spend your weekend or a free day. The summit itself sits at 2,246 meters, and there is even a cozy restaurant at the top where you can grab a meal before heading back down.
ich schon reden?
Servus and grüß euch, liebe Leute. We are here on the world famous Patscherkofel. This is the mountain where the Kortlachler go to eat their Wurstzimmerle. So if you're ever in the area and want a nice Wurstzimmerle or a nice view of Innsbruck, you can come up here for some hiking and some Wurstzimmerle. Thank you very much and see you on the next trip.
For the descent, we took a slightly different path, the Zirbenweg trail. This road winds through ancient Swiss stone pines and alpine roses. It's a bit more challenging than the summit trail, with narrower sections and some steeper parts, but the scenery makes it worthwhile. Just below the summit lies the Alpine Garden, the highest botanical garden in Austria. It's been curated by the University of Innsbruck since 1930, and it spans about 1.5 to 2 hectares and features more than 400 alpine plant species.
Your statement, please.
Patscherkofel isn't just a winter destination. In colder months, it's all about skiing and snowboarding, but in summer and autumn, you'll also find unique activities like yoga and meditation sessions on the mountain, Thursday evening funicular rides, Pilates classes, sundown dances, and more. To find out more about the activities and their schedule, you can visit the official website. I hope you enjoyed this little hiking video of ours. If so, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.